Listen up, it's the secret sauce. On the podcast. And I want to kind of keep this in the sort of the data, stream of thought here that we're talking about. Secret sauce is something that'll benefit current owners in their current business. If you had to pick one thing, maybe that we've talked about, or maybe that we haven't talked about, in terms of, collecting data or analyzing data or, setting up, a pivot table, regression analysis, whatever the case may be, that would help current owners of laundromats, what do you think you would suggest owners start with?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I think the thing I've gotten probably the most mileage out of is probably stack ranking the items that I want to work on in the projects. The other stuff has been more informational at this point than really gotten me any grand returns or anything like that. But I do feel like I've gotten significant improvement and been able to get a lot of those quick wins that we talked about from actually taking time right at the beginning and trying to prioritize everything that I need to get done. Because I probably would have just, if I'm just doing it haphazardly and without any kind of structure, I don't think I would have been been able to keep the focus and been able to get the mileage that I've gotten out of the projects that I've undertaken so far.
Yeah, I love that. And two, I just want to point out, maybe your laundromats are in pretty good shape and you're not really working on them to the same degree, but you can use stack ranking for, acquiring your next laundromat or, adding new services to your laundromat. You can use it for all kinds of things in your business. So I love that tip for owners to use stack ranking.